What is the helping process? Helping process in social work is the detailed plan for understanding and helping clients. Ang pinaka-common sa atin na helping process is the APIET. As we know is assessment, planning, intervention, evaluation, and termination. Kapag sinabi nating assessment, data gathering mode ka dito. You have to gather information about the client situation, yung needs nila, yung problema nila, yung background nila, from their family, from their peers, and also sa environment. And we should never forget to input din yung strengths nila despite everything that is happening in their life. May nangyayari sa kanilang hindi maganda or may mga problema silang hindi nila kayang harapin with their own, i-highlight natin yung strength nila. That's strengths perspective din. Planning naman, you have to create a plan of action na collaboratively gagawin mo with the client. You have to outline din yung goals and methods kung paano i-achieve yung mga plan of action mo or yung plan mo na pinag-agreean with the client. Whilst intervention naman, it is a stage where the social worker implements the plan. This is the implementation phase, providing services and support to help the client move towards the goals. Ito na yung byproduct ng planning na ginawa nyo previously. And also, evaluation, effectiveness of the intervention, kailangan ina-assess yan. Hindi laging last yung evaluation. Evaluation is an ongoing process. Nagsimula ka, you have to evaluate every step of the way. Kung saan kailangan ayusin, aayusin. Maganda na in the earliest part of the helping process, makikita nyo na kung ano yung problem. And then, termination, once the goals are achieved or the client's needs have been met, the working relationship is formally ended.